This is a teardown of a Dickson branded climate monitoring device. My understanding is these will track temperature and humidity and log it. This is quite an older device though. It uses a 9-volt battery for power and proprietary ports that are for interfacing. The software for it came on a floppy disk. But there's just 4 screws holding the case shut. Here's the board. I believe this here is probably what they're using to test for temperature or humidity. Looks like this ceramic piece here might also be a sensor of some sort. I'm not sure what they would do. It's like a Philips branded microprocessor right there, I believe. And this might be the flash storage for the programming of the device. I guess we could pull the sticker off and show the model number. It's a Zilog chip. Without looking it up, I wouldn't have an idea, since it could be anything, but yeah. And there's the Philips chip that I believe is a processor. That's my guess at least. Not too much on here. I think that is a Texas Instruments chip right here, and then I don't know what the Maxim chip is, but and there's some Atmel chips up here. And the board is just kind of friction fit onto the mounting posts that hold the case together. Maybe a little more friction than I was expecting. Have to employ some violence. Luckily these teardowns are a one-way trip, so not too important what happens to this stuff. This is just e-waste getting recycled. Prying tool. Ooh, that might have been a little loud for the camera. Sorry about that. Alright. And the front side of the board, there's basically nothing on it but the display. So, yeah, I'm not sure what these 2 jacks do. I do know one of them is a data interface port, so I don't know, it might be power. Looks like this one only has 2 pins. I think, oh no, it has 3. These 3 pins go to that port, and these 3 pins go to that port. So I'm not sure how that works. I did not get the data cables for these. Also kind of interesting, the leads on that, I can't tell if they're coated with something or gold plated. They're probably coated, probably something like what they do with magnet wire. But yeah, kind of different. Don't know how effective these were at logging climate conditions of a room, but definitely cool to see what they look like on the inside. So, thanks for watching.